What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Pinella with MattBangsWood. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button. Chances are you're gonna love it here. In my opinion, we have one of the best building channels here on YouTube, showing the real life situations of what happens during building. Right now, I'm actually on my way to go look at a 4-story property on the beach. Beautiful, beautiful home. 3 different units in it, and they're looking to remodel. It's for a builder that we've worked with in the past, so I'm sure that this will be a fun project in the case that we do get it. But wanted to take you guys with me, and you guys can see firsthand what we look at prior to even thinking about building. I have to run a couple errands before we head out, so I will see you guys once we're there. Alright, you guys, we're pulling up to this remodel right now. See that ocean? Damn. I would love to work out here, right on the ocean. That would be a rough sight to see every day.
Just a heads up.
This staircase is so sick.
So this will be second floor of the main unit. This all changes, and they're gonna have a huge view with a workout room, utility room. This is where stuff gets real weird.
What in the heck?
So
What do they have going on here, Lars?
I'm telling you, bro. It's some really strange stuff. Yeah, so this all, obviously all these interior walls go. Check this out.
I don't even know where I'm at.
I know. Our electrician got lost.
Yeah, I was looking at the plans and I'm like, this place is
If you look
all
at
over.
it, yeah. So now you're in Unit B, it's huge.
I like their temp wall here.
So JR, this is Matt and Matt Pinella.
How's it going, Matt?
Matt Senior and Matt Junior.
Yeah, hey, don't kick those out.
Yeah.
Might hurt you.
You guys have your work cut out for you.
Yeah, this place is a trip. You get lost just walking through it. It's like,
Where do you start?
The bottom.
so they started doing plumbing.
They were all over the
They
place.
did all kinds of
Sound
stuff.
like this.
So all the demo and everything else, and
So the clients bought the house about 2.5 years ago.
okay,
They brought somebody in and just started working.
going for it.
And then they got shut down. And then they went to
No
an
permits,
Then they went to an
I mean.
architect.
Wait, they were trying to do all this with no
Project
permits.
here, like,
Nothing like you would expect from the outside. There's so much going on here. In the case we get this project, it's gonna be a fun one. Awesome views of the ocean, though.
That's pretty tricky. I think they replaced the sheeting under the toilet without moving the toilet.
Looks like it, huh?
It's impressive.
Look where we're going, man.
Tree fort.
Right?
I think it's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Did we come through here?
Yeah.
Yep.
What's back?
There's a couple rooms there.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is what I was curious about. I feel like we missed this.
Go down there. There's a couple of rooms.
We only saw half of this place. Holy moly. Isn't it weird?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I didn't know that corner bead could be used like that.
Right?
That must either be old
Splitters on your
school.
drywall there.
Down the bamboo.
Yep. Oh, there's another wing too, the first floor, the master suite over there. That's an interesting one too. A lot of history of wall framing in that one.
Oh, look at that mirror.
So this is the tricky toad.
Yeah.
The 80 special right there.
This place is massive.
This place is sick. What a view, though. Place is beautiful.
Kitchen goes out to.
Back in the 80s.
There's some life in that hot tub.
Oh,
Oh, there's some polywogs.
that one's a big one.
Hop in there.
Oh, heck no. You know how much has happened in that tub?
A lot.
The fascia's crazy.
Trip up.
Yeah, we definitely need to look it over.
Weekend. It's nice meeting both you guys.
Later.
It's nice meeting you.
Yep.
All right. So we just walked this project, and the plan is all the roofs are coming off. The place is going to get completely renovated and brought up to date. Getting rid of the 2x14 fascia with animals carved into the side and doing some nice low pitch roofs. It's going to be crazy. This project doesn't start for a while, but when it does, it's going to be fun. So it's kind of nice to be able to pick and choose as far as what you want to build, but this place is definitely high on our priority list. I'm going to take you guys down the main drag of this area and show you exactly where we're at. This home would be so much fun to renovate. But we're oceanfront, right on the beaches. It doesn't get much better in my opinion. So to give you guys an idea on the process of all this, we went and checked the project out in person. It's nice to be able to see how things are going and what's being done where. Now that we've seen it in person, we'll sit down, flip through the plans, check out what's staying and what's going. They want us to give them a bid on demo and framing. There's a lot of demo. So we're gonna do a couple things. We're gonna give them a price on demo and framing, and then we're gonna give them a price on framing only. That way, if they can do demo cheaper and they wanna do it that way, they save a couple bucks. We don't have to demo the place. We come in with a clean slate and start framing. In the case that they want us to do demo, we'll do all the demo and frame it all. Anyways, guys, I really wanted to show you this project, not because it's something special, but because it's something that we get to do quite often, and I feel like you guys should see it too. We walk projects like this, check them out, see if we want to do them, and if we do, we send in our bids. Have at it. If you guys enjoyed this and want to see more walkthroughs with different projects that we've got going or potential projects, please let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, that is it for our beach house walkthrough. I've had this meeting set up for a minute now and I really wanted to take you guys with me, so I'm glad I was able to bring the camera, show you guys around a potential build that we've got going. You guys can see what we do prior to even doing it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications by clicking the little bell to the right of it. Leave a like on this video, drop a comment down below, and say what's up. Let me know if you guys saw anything crazy in this house or just want to talk about it. I'll get back to as many of you guys as possible. But that is all we have time for today though, guys. I've got 2 sick kids at home. I'm heading home for the weekend. I will see you guys next week. Bang on.